Hey everybody, welcome back to our monthly BoxyCharm unboxing. So Hannah and I once again are way far behind. This is May's box. It is now currently Memorial Day, so it is May the 28th. And just to be truthful and honest, it's probably going to be June before this video goes up. But we still wanted to share with you guys what we got in our box and what we thought of it, and just our general thoughts and concerns. Not concerns, thoughts and...
There could be some concerns.
Okay. Thoughts and opinions. That's the word. Opinions. It's been a long weekend and words.
It's been a long month.
Yeah.
You've had very adventurous things going on.
Yes, I have more too.
Yeah.
Probably by the time you see this, I will have been to Vegas and back. Because I'm leaving on Wednesday. But I actually did another video this morning.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, because my sugar room was a mess again. So I just vlogged like cleaning it. So it's probably going to be just a bunch of me running around and like hyper speed cleaning shit. But whatever.
I can't wait for that one.
Okay, so I saw online everything that was in this box weeks ago. So I'm trying to remember what all is in here. So Hannah again. No clue.
I saw 2 spoilers.
Oh, that's right, because
Instagram.
Oh yeah, so somehow she unfollowed BoxyCharm on Instagram but still saw a spoiler. And then she had a couple of people sign up, and when they got their box, we're all like, oh my god, I love XYZ, and she's like, what are you doing to me? It's supposed to be a surprise. So I forgot.
Yeah.
I forgot.
So I know about, I got a Snapchat about something, and then...
Snapchat? Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
That's from the friend.
Yeah. And then something about on the Instagrams.
Do you remember what they were?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. All right. So we've already cut it open. So we're just gonna let's open them together. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. All right. So this month is BoxyCharm's birthday. So in this month, the card and the theme of the box is Boxy Bash, and there we go, Boxy Bash. And so this month we also got 6 products in the box instead of 5. So I'm gonna let Hannah pull a product out first.
I'll go with the one that I threw on the floor.
Okay. So this first product that we have is the Aesthetica 3-piece eye trio. The Aesthetica Trio series comes with an angled eyeliner brush, a brow spoolie, and a fine-tipped eyeliner brush. A convenient 3-in-1 used for a wide variety of looks, from a subtle wing to a dramatic cat eye. Use the brow brush for fuller, more defined brows. Retail value $45. When I first saw, which is a lot for 3 brushes, but when I first saw that this was going to be in the box, I was kind of excited because the beauty sponge that I use is Aesthetica.
Okay.
Yeah, so I was like, that sounds familiar, and then I went back on Amazon to look at the blender that I had bought, and it was Aesthetica, and I really like it. So yeah. All right, so, and I got the same thing. And I'll probably use that angled one for my brows.
I need a good spoolie, so I'm kind of excited about that one.
You didn't have one in your set?
Oh man, I forgot about that. I get lost. I get lost in those brushes.
I don't know if there was a spoolie in there or not.
It probably is.
There might be. I think there's a little brush.
There is one of those.
But I don't know if there's a spoolie. But yeah, so there you go. Spoolie. So you can like brush them up and then feel them in. All right, so there are the 3-piece eye trio from Aesthetica. $45. All right, y'all. For real though, who in their right mind is spending $45 on these little brushes? All right, so I'll pull one out next. So next I have and I think Hannah's got one too, but she's got a different color. And this is the Beauty Creations Liquid Lip Gloss. So Beauty Creations Matte Liquid Lip Gloss is specifically formulated to provide full coverage that dries to a seamless, smooth, and matte finish. Its lightweight application is long wearing for an effortless lip color that complements all skin tones. Retail value is $10. So I got the color Kiss Me.
And I got Sweetheart.
Okay. So
Cool.
yeah. So Hannah likes the nudes, and I'm okay with this. Like, looks like a reddish berry color. So
It's like they were meant for us.
yeah, it's like they knew what we were.
Good.
And I guess this is in collaboration with BoxyCharm, because BoxyCharm is on the box there.
Yes, I'm liking that
So
one.
that's what it looks like, and there's what the doe foot applicator looks like. Yeah. All right. I'm excited.
I like that.
And $10, I would pay $10 for a lipstick, you know. Does it smell
Ooh, yeah.
like?
It smells good.
Oh, that smells like berries.
Oh, I like that.
Ooh. Okay, so I'm excited about that. Beauty Creations. All right, $10.
I'm gonna go for the Cover FX Blurring Primer.
Okay.
Alright. A lightweight, soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections, creating a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application. Holy moly, $38.
So this is 1 fluid ounce of product, which I think is the same as our Dr. Brandt Pores No More primer. And I think the retail value on it was also $38. But this feels so like, it feels like there's a lot of air in there. I don't know. We shall try it out. I mean, I usually use my Dr. Brandt Pores No More that I got in the BoxyCharm, you know, back in January or something. But I'll give it a try.
Yeah.
Thanks, BoxyCharm.
This one definitely has a little more darker color to it. than the
Oh.
other one.
It's got like almost like a tint to it.
Mhm.
Oh. What's it smell like?
Not really, but
Okay. Huh. Interesting. Okay. We'll have to give it a try. Okay, so next I'm going to pull this out because I saw the spoiler on this and I was really kind of excited to get it. I've seen a lot of beauty influencers try out the Pretty Vulgar brand, and this has been one of the products that they've really liked. And this is the Pretty Vulgar, the ink gel eyeliner, and it comes in this really cute pot. It feels really heavy, and it almost looks like a little an ink pot. It says, this highly pigmented gel eyeliner provides quick drying application with enriched vitamin C to condition the lids. Its creamy and water-resistant formula allows for a smooth application that stays in place all day. Retail value is $24. And this is 0.2 ounces of product. And it is that entire thing, you guys, is full of product like that much.
oh wow.
You see in there?
Mhm.
It's like completely full. That's interesting. Container for that. But hey, and you can use your Aesthetica brush for it.
I do really like that container.
It's cute, isn't it? Alright. Next we have the Aesthetica P12 face brush with synthetic fibers that allows for maximum control. The P12 face brush is perfect for creating a seamless look. Retail value $27. See if I can get it open. $27. Alright, so that's what we're looking at.
That's really soft.
Smells funny.
Ooh, it does smell funny.
Smells funny. Mine smells a little funny, and so does Hannah's. So if you did get this from BoxyCharm, I would suggest maybe cleaning this or sanitizing it before you put it on your face, because it has very much like a rubber smell to it.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we'll clean it first. But I'm always down for more face brushes. $27 face brush. Okay. Now, there is one more product, and we have to do this number. So this is the Sculptor palette from Pure. And it's in like all of the fucking containers here. Okay, so a 4-shade sculpting palette that features 2 high beam highlighters and 2 matte contour shades that will leave skin sculpted to perfection with highly pigmented and buttery formulas. If I can get it open. Pure, I appreciate you wanting to keep things closed. Ugh. But geez Louise. So we got a Pure palette several months ago, and I still use mine. That had the highlighter and the blush and the bronzer and stuff, and I love that highlighter in there. So I'm excited to try these highlighters. Here we go. Tell us what it looks like. So we have Originator and Trailblazer. Oh, smell that. Oh, it smells like hot chocolate.
It does smell like hot chocolate.
So we have Originator and we have Trailblazer as highlights. And then we have Inventor and Founder as like contour shades. They look really dark, you guys. Both of those contour shades look a little dark for me. But maybe I could use Founder as an eyeshadow. And maybe Inventor, I could get that to work. But it's pretty dark, but it smells good. It smells good. It's got a nice mirror. The mirror says, "You are the sculptor of your own destiny." There you go. All right. So that is what we got in this month's BoxyCharm box. And I guess we just need to add the value up. It seems like it's going to be kind of pricey this month.
And we got the same things this month, right?
We did. We got the exact same things this month except for the lip color. Hannah got the more nudie color and I got the more like berry red color. But yeah, we both got the same thing. And I know there was another lip variation. There was like one that was an actual lip gloss as opposed to this matte lipstick.
This can't be right.
What? What's it say? Yeah, I think that's right. So our total this month is $174, and because we got 6 products.
Yep.
Yep. So $21. Once again, that $21 is paying off big time. $174 in this month's BoxyCharm box. So I'm excited to try all this stuff.
And we did get 2 coupon codes this month.
Okay.
So CoverFX 20% off at coverfx.com. Code is Boxy, and then Pure, which I'm really impressed with Pure. Like I'm really.
Yeah, me too. Like I liked that first palette that we got,
this
and then I liked the eyeshadow palette, and then
this packaging is not as nice as the highlighter palette.
The plastic one, yeah.
It's
still nice though.
So 50% off Pure at checkout.
50%?
15%.
Oh, 15.
Sorry, I might have said 50. The code is BoxyMay.
Hey, you know you can use that 20% and buy another shimmer veil.
Oh yeah, I kind of lost that.
Hannah lost her shimmer veil from.
I think it was January.
I think it was March. I think it was March's box.
Was it? I used it all the time too.
But yeah, she used it all the time and she lost it.
I was at a show. What show was that?
Oh, you told me. It was
Cobra and the Lotus.
Yeah.
I blame them. Cobra Page. It's your fault.
Lost her shimmer veil. But you got a 20% off code.
Yeah. Because that was...
It was Amethyst. Was the shade.
I love that stuff.
But so thanks for watching this month's BoxyCharm unboxing. I know it was really quick, and we'll try and get this video posted as soon as we can. Hannah and I still have plans for future videos in the future. We've just got to get to a non-busy time of year, I guess, which I'm not sure when that is, but we'll get there. But yeah, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. We'll leave our BoxyCharm link below in the description box if you'd like to sign up for BoxyCharm. And if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you would like to see more of these videos, please subscribe to my channel. And Thanks, Hannah.
Thank you, Lori.
Yeah. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.